Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your SOUNDCORE C30i. Firstly, I recommend it to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone and then you just open the charging case and them will reconnect to your phone. You just check it. If it fixes your problem, it's okay. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, at the bottom of the charging case, we have charging case button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flash red slowly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to print mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!